One of the questions that we get from a lot of customers is how can I tint my windows dark but not go too dark? So this is probably going to be the best solution for you. This Cadillac Escalade has our 15% shade on the front two doors, and they just wanted to match it to the rear windows. So the rear windows were metering right about at 15. You can see the difference here, there's not much. So we applied our 15% shade on the front two doors, and we actually did this in our top level i3 ceramic. So along with having more privacy in there, with our top level ceramic, you're also getting 93% infrared heat rejection, and you're getting 99% UV rejection. And then for the windshield, if you want to go dark but not too dark, then your best option would be our 56% shade and our top level i3 ceramic, which is what we did here. Or in our mid-grade ceramic, we could do our 50% shade, which is just slightly darker, but it just doesn't offer as much heat rejection as the top level ceramic. And basically this will give you enough tint where you're going to block out some sun glare while you're driving. You're going to be able to block out a lot of those blinding headlights at night, but it's not going to be too dark where you have trouble seeing out at night. So the 56% is a great shade for the front windshield, just to give you a little bit of tint without going too dark. And then 15 on the front two doors keeps it dark enough for privacy, but without going too dark where you can't see out again. So if you're contemplating tinting a vehicle and you want to go dark but you're not sure how dark is too dark, then this would be the best option for you.